Please introduce yourself.
My name is Joanne Daki. I'm 35 years old. I'm married. I have 4 kids. Their ages 18, 16, 17, 16, and 9 years old. I have 6 sisters. I'm elder of
Okay.
my siblings.
Okay. What is your educational attainment?
High school graduate.
Okay. Um, Please tell me about your working experience.
My work experience in the Philippines as a housemaid. I'm work I'm work starting July to 2020 until January 2024. Uh, I'm I'm my job cleaning the house, washing clothes, washing cars, gardening, and marketing.
Right. What if the baby cries or the children is naughty and not listening to you?
If baby crying, I'll check it first. I check it first if it's hungry. Then the second, I check the diapers. If dirty, I change it. Then third, I will check the baby's temperature. If high, I tell my employee first. If children's naughty, I encourage to them to playing and sing a song. If children 6 to 12, it will be not listening to me. Eat patient to them. My mother and father will angry if not listening to me, and let them calm down and listen what they want.
Alright. Do you have any tattoo?
No.
Do you have surgery or serious sickness before?
No.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you're working?
I usually sleep 10 p.m. after done my work, and wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Are you willing to share a room with kids?
Yes.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
Alright. Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn and save money for my children and support my family needs.
Alright. Who will take care of your children?
My mother and husband.
Okay. How about if you feel homesick?
If I homesick, I will focus my work and they needs my employee.
Right? What is your message to your employer?
Ma'am, sir, Madam, sir, please hire me as your own maid. I will do good work, your home and family will be safe. I will be do good services, and ma'am, sir, and trustworthy and responsible doing home chores, and I'm willing to learn and follow your instruction. Thank you.